Supports motherboard socket. AM4. Aluminum heatsink, pre-applied thermal paste. Direct screw mounting to socket AM4 motherboard. 3.5-inch 90mm fan. 4-pin PWM power connector, 9-inch length, approximate. Top reviews from the United States. OEM replacement is flawless. Currently running 33 degrees Celsius on Aorus Gigabyte board B450M with 2600 Ryzen 5 and it's smooth and super quiet. Have ID cooling frozer cooler but needed thus to ensure CPU would post. Will be swapping to liquid cool soon but keeping this for backup. Awesome. Manufacturer OEM fan. I don't do anything crazy with my PC, extreme gaming, etc. But the fan is quiet and the CPU does not overheat. What else can you ask for? The base that touches the CPU comes pre-stamped with a layer of thermal paste for the first use. The only issue I encountered is that if you need to remove the fan after the first install, the factory thermal paste really sticky. Makes it really hard to get the fan off the CPU. Great deal. Great seller with good products and fast shipping.